Vox City Pass offers a whole new way to explore a city. It's the smart sightseeing choice for independent-minded travellers. This unique and flexible package combines local transportation with our intelligent tour software, so you can discover each destination in your own way and at your own pace. Vox City Pass works like this. We highlight the most interesting bus, tram, river and walking routes in each city so you can get familiar with the hundreds of famous sites we feature. You'll also find free Wi-Fi hotspots, the best photo locations and other attractions for your maximum enjoyment. You can hop on or hop off public transportation as you wish, or enjoy captivating walking tours. No matter how much you move around, you'll listen and learn from local experts who'll reveal cultural insights, hidden curiosities and fascinating stories. And the thrill of exploration doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Vox City Pass works just as well when the city comes alive in the evening, so you can make the most of your stay, day or night. Wherever you travel, you won't miss a thing, as our high-quality audio will also operate in autoplay mode, which will start whenever you're near a highlight. The Vox City Pass system also works in your taxi, private car or by bicycle. Another great feature is that you may register your own points of interest using personal pins. This enables you to easily navigate back to your hotel. What's more, wherever you go, on foot or by vehicle, you're always geo-located, so you'll never get lost. With Vox City Pass, you'll feel at home in any foreign city.